So, you want to ace the analytical question. Analytical questions for product managers can seem very daunting because they rely on a lot of understanding of metrics and specific tooling that can be very specific to a product manager's job, unlike some of the more creative sides of the PM interview. Analytical questions fundamentally are often about metrics, and that's the core piece that you need to understand in order to ace the analytical question. Analytical questions are asked by most tech companies in some flavor or shape. They're often called different things like execution or product insights, but ultimately they're testing your ability to understand metrics and reason with metrics and make decisive solutions to tough problems. Analytical questions that we're going to cover in this section will mostly circle around two major categories. One are the classic metrics questions involving defining metrics for a product, or how would you evaluate the trade-offs between two metrics. And on the other side, you might have something like an A/B testing question that is more generative and more creative, but still ultimately boils down to understanding the metrics for a particular product. So we'll discuss both of these types of analytical questions and how to go about answering them in this course. We've also included sample answers from expert product managers who have gone through the interview process and are now interviewers, but they're on the other side of the table for this, where they're answering tough analytical questions. So you can see what an expert analytical answer looks like. Furthermore, we have hundreds of practice questions in our question bank, as well as a practice platform where you can match up with peer interviewees so you can get the prep that you need in order to ace the analytical question.